Medical negligence, also known as medical malpractice, occurs when a healthcare professional deviates from the standard of care, leading to harm or injury to a patient. Birth injuries specifically refer to a type of harm or trauma sustained by a newborn or mother that may occur as a result of medical malpractice during prenatal care, labor, or delivery. Common examples of birth injuries that may be associated with medical negligence include cerebral palsy, brachial plexus injuries, or hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, otherwise known as HIE. Pursuing legal action in medical negligence is a possibility where these types of injuries occur, so long as the injury is as a result of a healthcare provider's failure to meet the standard of care. A healthcare provider's failure to meet the standard of care can take various forms. For example, the failure to adequately monitor the fetus's vital signs during labor and delivery, the improper use of medical instruments such as forceps or vacuums, or the failure to recommend and perform a cesarean section when complications arise. To pursue a legal action in medical negligence for a birth injury, your lawyers will need to build a strong legal case. Building that case will involve gathering the relevant documentary evidence and also obtaining supportive expert opinions from experts like obstetricians, neonatologists, and maternal fetal medicine specialists. It's only with the assistance of supportive expert evidence that a claim will be successful at law. Ultimately, our role as medical malpractice lawyers in a birth injury case is to introduce a compelling narrative that demonstrates, first, that the defendant healthcare provider breached the accepted standard of care, second, that the breach directly caused the injury to the mother or infant, and third, that the mother or infant have been left with debilitating long-term injuries. Birth injury cases are complex due to the technical nature of the medical issues and due to the emotional nature of the subject matter. Establishing breaches of the standard of care, proving causation, addressing the long-term consequences of the injuries, and navigating the expert testimony generally are all necessary challenges in any medical malpractice case. When it comes to a birth injury case, sensitivity and expertise are key in navigating these complexities and ultimately achieving a successful result on your behalf.